Yo, ladies and gentlemen, Skelly in the building. We are up in Jungle Beats. As you see, we are cooking something, man. Something, man. Yeah. So, the year has begun. A lot of things are happening. We are working on an album, Life of a Hustler. So one of the tracks I have right now is called Follow Me. Yeah. I want to take you through and you listen to this. Yeah. We're here with my manager. Yeah. Jungle Beats.
Yeah. Yeah, man. A bad man can leave in the building. He's cooking something crazy. You there is making an album. Yeah,
man.
This is one of the song.
Follow me.
Yeah.
So
play the track, man.
So let me play the track and you listen through, man. Yeah. Boom, man. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, man. On the way, I'm the type of the breed that you underrate. Beat for myself, tell Marie and donate. Tell us like niggas when they see me, then they speculate. I'm just fast, so respect that. Move fast to the next step. Then I care like a nice dad. I'm alive to the day that I'm a cry in the past. Let me roll like a dice. I'm blessed with the mic, feeling good on this right line. Me, I'm gonna lead the story of my life. Imagine if fish don't legalize. What the real is the treasure for my honorary. Maybe can I see you make a deal, stop styling. Ding, you make me sing, ding,
change on me, you will look for me. If you change on me, you will look for me. You will follow me, you will follow me, yeah. You will follow me, you will.
Cha-cha, I need you. Cha-cha.